Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Geeta, and I've been working in the hair and beauty industry for more than 20 years. This channel is specially for students and beginners who want to learn professional hair education step by step. In today's video, we will start with the basics of haircuts, the foundation every hairstylist must know. So let's begin. Before doing any haircut, it is important to understand three basics. The right tools, the correct sectioning, the importance of body position and hand. Cutting scissors, comb, cutting comb, tail comb, clips, spray bottle, cutting cape. These are the basic tools you must always have ready before a haircut. Clean, sharp scissors and sanitized tools are a sign of professionalism. Middle parting from forehead to nape is called profile section. Side-to-side parting is called radial. Sectioning is like the map of your haircut. It helps to control the hair, work neatly, and maintain balance. Today we will do the basic 4 section. Always cut with clean damp hair. Check both sides are equal. Stand straight and maintain. So friends, this was the first step in haircut education, tools, sectioning. Preparation. Consultation. Understand client's desired length and style. Draping. Place a cutting cape and towel for protection. Shampoo, condition. For clean, manageable hair. Detangle. Comb the hair thoroughly to remove knots. Sectioning tools. Comb, section clips, cutting. Keep scissors parallel to the floor for a clean line. Maintain natural fall of hair, no tension. The haircut should look even and heavy at the baseline. In next video we will learn 1 length haircut. I hope it helps you a lot. Thank you so much for being with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what haircut you want me to teach next. Thank you so much for watching and keep learning with me.